going to touch base on affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, not just for the chatbot. So once you put this up, the next question that you have is that what kind of video that you should be running, what kind of ad you should be running. The simplest way is basically to create a video based on the affiliate program that you want to promote. Now, my suggestion is to promote what we call a free offer. So the free offer concept is promoting an offer that is free so that you're not really pitching a product. So the affiliate program that you choose to promote should be a free offer. And this free offer would be, for example, a book offer. So certain internet marketers or affiliate program that's available on the internet today, they have free offers, especially those who are more established marketers and so on. They will have a free offer affiliate program that you can promote. So like for instance, in my case, I have my book offer where you can promote my book offer. Again, it doesn't have to be my offer because we are touching on affiliate marketing, and it's easier again for me to use my own product. So let's say you promote my affiliate program, your traffic will be able to get the book for free, and they just pay for the handling and shipping for $7.95. And after that, they will be presented with offer, and if they decide to buy that, you earn 50% commissions on the upsells. And that's usually how the model of a book offer works, in the sense that that's how the model for any affiliate program that allows you to promote a book. Because the front end offer, the book offer, the marketers or the authors, they do not make money. I do not know about others, but for $7.95, that's just sufficient to cover the shipping cost. The printing of the book itself, we probably have made a loss whenever we ship out the book. All right, so choose a free offer that you can promote. So my affiliate program or my product will be at patrichan.net. Okay, this is where my book is, and then if you go to that webpage, there should be a link that you can choose for the affiliate program. So let's say you were to promote that as the affiliate program. Now, before I continue here, I want to show a bigger strategy. So I'm going to put a hand called timeout. When you say timeout, means I want to integrate other concepts, other ideas into the core strategy that we're talking about. So right now, remember this. If you want to promote an affiliate program, you do not need to promote that affiliate program in the beginning or in the chat itself. In the chat message, the first affiliate program that you should be promoting is the free offer. And you can promote other affiliate programs that you want later on. So don't worry about promoting the affiliate program that you want to promote. Don't worry about making the massive commissions from affiliate program and so on at the beginning stage. Because if you start promoting affiliate program upfront, you're not going to get people to click send message and add message to you. Okay, so now let's go to the next part, the video itself, the video ad. So how do you create this video? What's the video's content is going to be? Now, this video you're going to focus on. So this is where you sort of review the book. So again, you're not like pitching, you're not selling, you're just like reviewing the book. And if possible, you will add a bonus. And that's how you get someone to click on the send message and type something with your instruction so that they will be added into your chatbot system. Now, this add a bonus part and so on, this whole review is very simple. If you are comfortable, like a spokesperson video, like what I'm doing right now, just be natural, just be yourself, and just take the book that you want to promote and tell them what you have learned in the book, why you think the book is good, but don't overdo it. You should position it is that, hey, this is a great book. I got it for free. I just have to, if you don't want to mention about shipping costs, you don't have to, because eventually they'll read that on the webpage. So you can say, hey, I just read this book. This is amazing. The author of this book is literally giving this book for free. And like in my case, in my book, this is a real physical best-selling book that used to be sold in the bookstores, and people actually pay money for this book. But hey, you can get this book for 100% free. And I like it because it has these 72 amazing chapters. And I was just thinking that if you just get like $1 million idea from just one chapter, hey, it's already worth the entire book. And guess what? You don't even pay for the book because it's free. So it's definitely worth everything. Now, on top of that, if you decided to get a copy of this book because I love this book, here's what I'm going to do for you. I've actually summarized this book. I've actually picked like the few key chapters, whichever type of content that you want to share, whichever type of bonus that you want to create. Time out. Let me explain to you what I'm doing here. First, you talk about the book, you do like a short review, and then you're going to add a bonus if they decide to get the book from you. So the bonus could be, example, like for instance, you go through the book and then you say, now this book is amazing, but it's over 300 pages long. It's like 200 plus pages. And what I did is that I've created a checklist that you can follow once you finish the book so that you can take action to get results on the same week itself to get started. Or you could say that now out of the 72 chapters, I've picked a few of the key chapters and I've actually created a video on how to apply this knowledge into an online business. So you see where I'm coming from? You can create additional bonus based on the content from the book itself, from the free offer. So it could be a checklist, it could be an additional video training. You can do all of those. And if the book is free and then you're giving this additional bonus and you are angling it by saying, hey, you know what? If you were to get this book, it's 200 plus pages, and now you can summarize it in like 30 minutes or whatever it is, right? So people will see the value in that. So at the end of your video, you just have a simple call to action, and then you say that, hey, if you want this book for free and also my bonus for free, all you need to do is click on the send message and type free book, whatever your trigger keywords is. So now let's go back here. They come over here, your video. There would be the call to action, which is send message. Okay. So they will go ahead and click send message, and then they will key in the triggered keywords that you want to use. I mean, what kind of software you can use? You can use many chats. I'm using Mobile Monkey. I'll give you a link later on. It's free to join, and if you upgrade, there will be a fee to unlock further features and so on. And I'll get some commissions if you do that. So I'll give you my link, referral link, but you can join for free. Okay. So you can use any of those tools to actually play around with that. Okay. So once you have that, they click. Now, okay, they click. This is like an arrow. Once they click and they send the message, what happened is that they will now, all right, be added into your chat list. I call it chat list. You can call it a message list, whatever term that you want to call it. It is like building an email list, but they are all inside your bot. The software, let's say you're using ManyChats. Now they are all inside your ManyChat system so that you can send message to them. If you are using Mobile Monkey, then they're inside Mobile Monkey, or you're using whatever platform, they will be added inside those platforms.